local government fiscal autonomy, where the Central Bank of Nigeria refused to respect the Supreme Court judgment on direct payment of the local government allocation to their respective account. On 10th June 2025, a letter signed by one Okoli Rita emanated from the Office of the Accountant General of the Federation, directing that any two of the chairmen, treasurers, or directors of finance and the administration or personnel management in each of the local government in Osun State should endorse an application letter for the opening and maintenance of the account earlier opened by the Central Bank of Nigeria for each of the local governments, a directive which is an aberration and in contravention with the law on local government fiscal autonomy. As a union, we are embarrassed, to say the least, by this surreptitious move to supplant extant law and place the running of the account of Osun State local government in the hand of impostors who are not recognized by law. Authorized signatories to local government accounts are career officers, specifically the directors of finance and supplies and directors of administration and general services, with the local government chairman and head of local government administration to countersign for confirmation. We are therefore inviting the attention of all well-meaning Nigerians, particularly the President and the Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, to this affront on the law, their first attempt to rubbish his legacies, most especially the same battle you fought and won as a governor of Lagos State some years ago. This intention and unscrupulous effort of the saboteurs tend to deny the good people of Osun State of the abundant benefit derivable from the local government fiscal autonomy, which has not only endeared the Tinubu government to the masses, but has also brought the dividend of good governance to the grassroots. We are also enjoining the Accountant General of the Federation, from whose office the letter of 10th June 2024 emerged, to reconsider the stand of his office and to be properly guided by the law on this issue. We state for the umpteenth time that the spirit and letter of the law does not leave signatories to the local government account open, but emphatically restrict the signatories to be the directors of finance and supply and directors of administration, with local government chairman and head of local government administration to confirm all the payments. Additionally, we call on the CBN not to recognize any intending signatories to the local government account in Osun State other than the career officers who are designated as Director Finance and Admin, and also Director Finance and Admin, and also Director General Services, as enshrined in the local government financial memorandum and the approved guidelines for the administration of local government areas in Osun State. We therefore appeal passionately to the Governor of CBN, Minister of Finance, and the Accountant General of the Federation that, as a matter of urgency, work together and ensure the release of the withheld Osun State local government allocation from January 2025 to date to the legitimate local government officers as delivered by the Appeal Court judgment of 13th June 2025 at Akure by Honorable Justice Peter Chudi Obiora, affirming the tenure of the democratically elected People's Democratic Party local government chairman Osun State. Finally, we want to use this medium to express our profound gratitude to all our members in Osun State for their perseverance during this ongoing political logjam in Osun State local government. I want all of you to stay strong and focused at this challenging time while being optimistic of positive and favorable resolutions in a short while. Thank you very much. Long live NULGE, long live local government, and long live the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Thank you.
I want to ask whether your association, based on that name,
Making effort to see how we can interface with